Hello everyone! Today we will apply the matrix effect for the custom video by using the Python programming language. Let's start coding. Initially, I create a folder named video to ascii. Additionally, I create a data folder where I will store the video we will be working with. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. I will begin by creating a notebook named video to ascii.ipynb and a Python file utils.py. In this utils file, I will keep the code we wrote in the previous episode. This code allows us to convert a single picture into ASCII art. As you may know, a video is simply a sequence of individual images played at a specific rate, which gives the illusion of motion. By applying our previously written code to each frame, we can reassemble them back into a video. The only difference here is that I will use green color for the dark theme instead of white. Otherwise, the code remains identical to the one we used last time. Let's return to the terminal for a moment, as we need to create a virtual environment. Now we need to activate it and install all necessary packages. I'll copy the video to the data folder by using the following command. Now let's jump back to the Jupyter notebook and start coding. In the beginning we should import all required packages. Today we will utilize the OpenCV package, which facilitates working with images and videos. This package enables us to read a video and traverse it frame by frame. Here is an example of how to read a video using the OpenCV package. The frames per second can be identified by utilizing the code below. We will use this value later when saving the final result. Now I want to create a folder for storing the results, which will include all frames after the application of the image to ASCII conversion. I would like to use the dark theme for a small clip from the Matrix movie. However, you might want to experiment with omitting this part and viewing the results without applying the dark theme. Now we will delve into the core part of our code. Essentially, in this code snippet, we iterate through each frame of our video and apply the code written in the last episode. Each frame is then saved to the folder we recently created. Okay, let's run the current code and examine the intermediate results. After the code finishes running, you can open the folder containing the saved frames. Even at this point, you can quickly scan through them and notice the motion effect. Now, we need to compile all these elements into a single video file. To do that, in the beginning let's specify the destination file name. Here I retrieve all file names within the folder and sort them based on the numerical value of the base file name. To determine the width and height of each frame, we will use the following code. As a final step, we will once again utilize the OpenCV package. However, this time instead of reading, we will be saving frames into an MP4 output file. Upon completion, you will find that we have successfully applied a matrix effect, or also like image to ASCII effect for each individual frame from our video by using the Python. It's quite exciting to uncover new programming techniques by exploring real-world applications. Hey, you're awesome for sticking around till this point. Thanks a ton. Take care, my friend. See you next time.